In the event of a power outage, the ideal emergency solution for a home or business is a standby generator. These systems automatically transfer the power load from the utility's power line to the generator when an outage occurs. To make sure they're always ready, they exercise themselves weekly and perform self-diagnostics so maintenance issues are minimized or eliminated altogether. The quality of the power produced by these units is also superior, which is important for the safe operation of sensitive electronic devices like computers and home automation systems. If you plan to use a portable generator to back up your home or business, it should be used in conjunction with a manual transfer system, which consists of a manual transfer switch, a power inlet box, and a power cord. The switch is connected to the main electrical panel by an electrician so that only the circuits to be powered by the generator are active during an outage. The power inlet box is mounted outside the home or business. It is hardwired to the transfer switch and connected to the generator with a power cord. When the lights go out, you first shut off the power from the utility at the manual transfer switch and then start the generator to energize the selected circuits wired to it. This will prevent your generator from backfeeding power into utility lines and possibly injuring the repair crews. You're now ready to safely keep the important systems in your home or business up and running in the event of a power outage.